Hello, welcome to my channel. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about football news. Kabelo Kotitele will start playing for Orlando Pirates Football Club after next season. Baroka FC chairman confirms. Baroka FC chairman Qureshi Bashir stated, "Yes, we have a deal with Pirates. He is staying with us for 2025 to 2026 season. He will only join Orlando Pirates after next season. He is not joining Orlando Pirates now because we still need him. He is a quality boy who still needs to contribute to this club," says Mphahlele. For more football news, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can keep you daily updated about PSL news.